In this video, we will be adjusting the ambient noise sensors. To do this, first we go to Stations. We select the station we need to adjust. I only have one in here, so I select Edit. Then I come up to Configure. Then I can make my adjustments here. Max Boost is one we might adjust. The other would be volume adjustment. Volume adjustment keeps the dB level a certain number above ambient level. So adjust as needed, then hit save. Then you must go down and enter the password for it to take. Hit save. Now our adjustments have been made. That's all you need to do. Check and test and adjust as needed.